Hey guys, it's Jimmy Adragno at Leonard Truck and Trailer, your favorite trailer guy. Today we're going to take a look at the Trails West Classic. If you love our Trails West Adventure MX, which is one of our best-selling bumper pull trailers, you're going to love the Classic. So the Adventure MX is more of your entry-level basic trailer. There's not a whole lot of customization or options available to be added to this trailer. But the Classic is going to allow you to maybe make this trailer your own. You're going to be able to customize it, add different options that fit your lifestyle. So if that interests you, follow me, check out this video. All right guys, so a couple great features that the Classic has that you don't see in the Adventure MX. The Classic is gonna have a wider man door here for easier access in and out of the tack room. You're gonna have your water tank, your blanket bar. This one's also gonna have a 12-volt onboard battery. So if you ever need lights in the tack room, in the horse area, or your load lights, you're always gonna have it without being hooked to a pickup truck. And a couple other things. We optioned this bad boy with running boards, so it's easy to get in and out of this trailer. And we have a 16-inch wheel and tire combo. So heavier axles, bigger wheels and tires, definitely the way to go if you're looking to haul 3 safely. We're at the back end of this trailer where you're gonna start to notice some real big differences in the Classic versus the Adventure. So in the Classic, we've optioned this trailer with a swing-out saddle rack, except saddle location is now in the rear. We also have a collapsible rear tack. So this tack wall right here can be collapsed down and pressed against the wall if you don't need it, or we can leave it out so you have additional storage back here. We're also gonna have some different setup stalls. So these stalls, dividers are gonna be made of aluminum, a little bit of a different latching system. Maybe not better, but not worse, just different. Stalls are a little bit wider, and we have some extra height on this trailer. So if you need that extra 6 inches of height for your taller horses, this is gonna handle that for you. So follow me around to the front. Classic is gonna come with the same drop-down windows, except these bars are gonna be a little bit wider, a little bit of a larger opening. So definitely gonna allow a lot more room for your horse. And one of the things that we always get asked for on the Adventure MX series is an escape door. So the Classic does allow us to add an escape door with an RV latch. So if you need to get in and out, super easy. And on this one, we option in the drop window on your escape door too. So if you're looking for a trailer, especially a Trails West, give your favorite trailer guy, Jimmy, a call, 330-314-5695.